ज्ञानी प्रो चैनल को आपण मानकु स्वागत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक ए सुइटेबल बॉय? ए अमृता प्रीतम, बी अल्विन शौरी, सी महेश्वता देवी, डी विक्रम सेठ। द आंसर इज विक्रम सेठ। Question number 2. The International Gandhi Peace Prize was awarded by Government of India in 2014 to A. ISRO, B. Pranab Mukherjee, C. Julius Nyerere, D. Baba Amte. Answer is ISRO. Question number 3. Deficiency of which of the following causes non-clotting of blood? A. Vitamin B, B. Vitamin K, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin C. And the answer is vitamin K. 4. The first Indian to win Booker Prize is A. Siddhartha Mukherjee, B. Arundhati Roy, C. Jhumpha Lahiri, D. Govind Biharilal. Answer is Arundhati Roy. Question number 5. In a photocell light, energy is converted into A. Potential energy, B. Chemical energy, C. Heat energy, D. Electrical energy. And the answer is in electrical energy. Question number 6. Who was the founder of the Prarthana Samaj? A. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, B. Swami Vivekananda, C. Atmaram Panduranga, D. Dayananda Saraswati. And the answer is Atmaram Panduranga. Question number 7. In which article of the Indian Constitution primary education is called as a fundamental right? A. Article 19A, B. Article 21A, C. Article 25A, D. Article 29A. And the answer is Article 21A. Question number 8. Which kind of power accounts for the largest share of power generation in India? A. Solar, B. Hydroelectricity, C. Thermal, D. Nuclear. And the answer is thermal. Question number 9. Who is considered the father of Sitara? A. Mian Tansen, B. Baiju Bawara, C. Amir Khusro, D. B.G. Ali Khan. Answer is Amir Khusro. Question number 10. Which one was adopted from the Maurya dynasty in the emblem of Government of India? A. 4 lions, B. chariot wheel, C. horse, D. words Satyamav Jayate. And the answer is 4 lions. Question number 11. The river Siang is situated in which state? A. Mizoram, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Assam, D. Tripura. And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 12. Who has the record of highest number of gold medals in the history of Olympics? A. Michael Phelps, B. Usain Bolt, C. Larissa Latina, D. Ian Thorpe. Answer is Michael Phelps. Question number 13. Elephanta Caves is located in which city? A. Nasik, B. Agra, C. Mumbai, D. Aurangabad. And the answer is Mumbai. Question number 14. The Westminster parliamentary system was developed in A. Spain, B. Australia, C. UK, D. USA. and the answer is UK. Question number 15. How many seats are reserved for representatives of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha? A. 39, B. 85, C. 109, D. 131. And the answer is 131 seats. Question number 16. Which application is used for accessing the information of Internet? A. Microsoft Word, B. Web browser, C. MS Paint, D. High level language. And the answer is web browser. Question number 17. Which freedom fighter addressed Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation for the first time? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Chandrasekhar Azad. And the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 18. In 1528, which Mughal king defeated the Rajputs at Chanderi? A. Humayun, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Babur. And the answer is Babur. Question number 19. Who is the current chairperson of National Green Tribunal? A. Justice Swatandra Kumar, B. Justice A.K. Goyal, C. Justice K.G. Balakrishna, D. Justice T.S. Thakur. And the answer is Justice A.K. Goyal. Question number 20. Combustion is A. Endothermic reaction, B. Exothermic reaction, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the answer is exothermic reaction. Combustion is a exothermic reaction. As a oxygen, please give us a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.